Aquarius 2, an unexpected thunderstorm. Once again, Rudhyar and Jones approach this image of Elsie Wheeler from different angles. On the one hand, the unexpected thunderstorm indicates to us that nature is in command here. Our own plans are trivial compared to those forces of nature that render our achievements irrelevant and very short-lived, really. We can build our houses and we can build them of strong stuff, but a wind, the force of a hurricane, can come along and just whip it away, take the roof off, create fires, the house is gone. In a moment. People are suffering this all the time. This isn't just theoretical. This is what's actually happening in the world. So the idea that we should invest ourselves in the trivialities in life, things that we own, and careers that we pursue with great energy and aggression even, these things are actually trivial. What we have to contend with is a force well beyond us. And by implication, this is not only nature, this is what is called in business force majeure. And in insurance companies, it's called acts of God. It's not likely that God is going to send thunderbolts to do us harm. It's not that kind of God that we got. It's not an act of God. It's the unexpected occurrence of random chance. These things are certain to happen, but we don't know when and where and to whom. But there's a very good chance that within any lifetime, something big and catastrophic is going to occur. In most cases, it's war. Most lives contain strong influence from war, one way or another. If it's not war, it might be illness or hunger or injury or something like that. It's not at all unusual for a person, every one of us, to be subject to forces like that. Now, whereas Rudhyar is saying that is the case, Jones is saying, so we have to find the inner resources, the deep resources within us to cope with that, and affirm the faith that we can, that whatever comes our way, be it hurricane or war or hunger, we can cope. This is the message of Jones. Very strong, positive affirmation. So I think when we're clear of emotionality or anxiety, and we're trying to just get a sense of what life is about, really all we know is that life is change. Everything in life is ephemeral. It just moves from one thing to another and another and another. Fixity is an illusion. And if we're not sure about that, then a hurricane, an unexpected thunderstorm, or a war will come along and remind us life is change, and we better learn to cope with that. And we can find that our adaptability is a lot more powerful a force within us than ever we had realized before.